In this video we start to build our Audi Quattro. I want to show you how do I work, my organization. You see here there's a lot of stuff. All the bags has been opened and in good order they are here in the box. The box has the stickers and all the instructions paper. When I need them, I know where to find them. In this one we have the parts that I'm surely will use, and I will leave in the box when I put the box in the storage. The antenna tube, the ESC, unuseful instructions for me, papers, and all the bags for pieces in good order, folded and stored. Don't throw plastic in the environment, please. Plastic is not dangerous. Man is dangerous, and how he used plastic. This is all plastic, but this will never go in the environment. At least it remains in my home. Okay, so you see here we have the body. I have to cut it and then wash it, mask and spray. There are some finishing like the black here. I want to do first spraying the white, but it would be matte, not shining, so perhaps it's better to do on the outside. I will decide it. And this is one, the body. These are all the frame parts. They don't need any procedure before using. Gearing. This is wonderful. In this car, it's the first time that I see the LED support. It's very nice. The engine, ESC, double tape, sponge, all the screws, grease, all the screws, the bumper. If I can, I don't use it because I don't want he gives an aspect like a toy. Tires. These are the glasses for the lamp, the headlamp, the multiple hand lamp. These are the glasses, chrome parts, and here there are some parts that I have to paint, and before painting I have to wash them. Surely this, and the discs. I would like to have these parts in silver. Other parts remain black. And this is something. Here we have another thing which is very useful, a picture of the cockpit of the inside of the car, that it is very different from this one, you see. So I have to manage to work. I have to take this straight, cutting this away, straight down, and a lot of things. It's very complicated, but perhaps I will do it. I have to decide. Here we have my spare parts, option parts, finishing parts, and so on. And this is my organization. Let's start step one. Before mounting, I would like to wash and prepare all the things. The body has been cutted. These are the pieces. Remember, don't throw them away. Put them in the box and store the box in your house. To cut as well as I could the body, I have to make a lot of little pieces. This is a peculiarity of this body. You can't make a straight kite like this. So let's wash it. All the parts are ready to be washed. This is normal kitchen soap for the plates. These are the plastic parts I have too. Washing pieces is important to avoid that the oil that they have used to detach the pieces from the iron stamp, the oil is not good for painting. In this way, when we paint the pieces, painting remains very well attached. So, this is soap and then water. All very well cleaned. No soap is very important, no soap on the plastic parts. Now we have to let it dry, then we can paint. On the wheels, this is the first hand. Now I let it dry, then once again with a spray. Painting wheels is quite difficult. I have not used any primer because it is grey and the plastic was grey too, but I need a lot of hands. On the other side, this is the inner side, just 2 hands and spread quite fastly, not too much attention as it is dirt, but the other side 4 times I've sprayed. Cut the inside of the car, the cockpit, and now I'm going to modify, cutting away this and making the square one like the original, and for this I will use these parts. Remember, never throw away them. You can use it or store it. Our planet has so much plastic and doesn't need ours. By now it is old. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, remember, subscribe and like. Up to the next.